Guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram message unavailable problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search and search Instagram and go to the storage. Next, here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn on the airplane mode or the Bluetooth mode. You can also try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, the settings, the accounts, the databases, etc. So be careful if you wanna clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.